Hi Pawan, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine, ma'am.
You're good. Pawan, very simple. We're going to ask you a few questions, okay? And you're going to be answering us. That's all you're
Yes,
going to be doing, okay?
yes, ma'am.
So let me, for everybody who has joined the chat today, let me introduce what Super Hoopers is, okay? Has anybody told you about Super Hoopers? Do you know what Super Hoopers is?
I know that it's a contest, ma'am.
You know it's a contest. Okay, so the idea about Super Hooper Power is there are a lot of children like you, okay, who are doing good things in the world. Okay, some may be planting trees, like you are teaching people about the value of money. Then we have somebody who is raising funds for somebody who needs it. So there are a lot of children who are doing good things in the world. Okay, and Super Hooper contest is basically to highlight the work that you guys are doing. That is the basic idea of Super Hoopers. Okay. And for those of you who do not know, we are hoopsters.in. We're an exclusive website for children, parents, and schools. We have come up with these contests just uh, okay. We have come up with this contest as an effort to highlight the work that is being done by children towards the community. And it's called the Super Hoopers Contest. If any of you want to enter the contest, all you have to do is log on to hoopsters.in. Now, today we have with us Pawan, who is here all the way from Shikaripura. Okay, can you tell us a little bit about your school, Pawan? Which school are you from? What class are you in?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm from Kumadati Residential Central School, Shikaripura, which is in Shimoga district, and I'm studying in class 9, ma'am, right now.
Okay, you're in class 9. Pawan, tell me, what are your hobbies? What are your extracurricular activities that you do in school?
In school, we used to learn art, ma'am, art, and extra activities like karate.
Okay. So what do you like more? You like karate more or do you like art more?
I like to play tabla, ma'am.
You like to play tabla? Are you a musician?
I am learning, ma'am, tabla.
Okay. How much have you learned? How many, like, have you done any exams and all that already?
No, ma'am. This year I have started.
This year you have started and you already like it so much, is it? That you are
Yes,
saying that you like to play the tabla.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Pawan, you know why we are here to talk to you, right? What we got from you sent us an article on hoopsters.in, okay, which spoke about something very interesting, where you talk to children younger than you and children of your age about saving money. Okay. Now you're in class 9, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that makes you what, 15 years old, 14 years old?
Yes, ma'am. 14 years old.
You're 14. At 14, we don't really think about saving money and those kind of things, right? So how did you get this idea? How did you think about this?
Ma'am, I had got this idea from my father, ma'am. My father
Okay.
inspired to this, ma'am.
Your father is, sorry?
My father inspired to this, ma'am, to save the
Okay.
money.
To save money. So what did he teach you? What did he tell you? How early did you start doing this?
Nearly 2 years back, I started, ma'am.
2 years back. Okay. Tell us your first, how you started it. What did you first do? Did you buy a piggy bank? Did you go to the bank and open an account? What was the first thing you did?
Yes, ma'am. Parents always act as a great role model to us, ma'am. My father has been one such influence in my life. He noticed that I was squandering money on trivial things. He, in a very subtle way, inculcated the habit of saving money, ma'am.
Okay. And what was this subtle way? How did he teach you how to save money?
Yes, ma'am. Then he gifted me this piggy bank, ma'am, and asked me to save half of the money that I intended to spend on wasteful things. Suppose I planned to buy a chips pack for 10 rupees. I used to eat 5 rupees and save the other 5 rupees.
Okay.
This eventually resulted in me realizing the value of money, ma'am. And I started curbing my wasteful expenses.
Okay.
Then I decided to use this experience to educate other youngsters like me. And I gifted piggy banks to many kids and shared my experience with them, ma'am.
Okay.
Then me and my father decided to take this further by encouraging them to open a joint account in the bank along with their parents and deposit their savings every month.
Okay.
In this small way, I'm trying to make young minds, ma'am, understand the value of money and importance of savings.
Okay. You are so young, Pawan. You're just, like you said, just 14. Why is it important for someone like you to save money? Why should youngsters save money?
It will be helpful for their future, ma'am, future obstacles.
Okay. So the money that
One
you
or
save,
other way, it will be helpful, ma'am.
Okay. So the money that you have saved for yourself, okay, what do you plan to do with it?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you
What do
come
you,
again?
so you have saved some money in your account and with your piggy banks and everything. Okay. What I want to know is, what do you plan to do with your savings?
At the end of year, I used to buy the stationery object and the books, ma'am.
Okay.
Study purpose.
So you spend it on education, on your own study material and everything. Okay. So tell us, Pawan, when you first gave out a piggy bank to your friend or to anybody, what was the reaction? Were they surprised? Were they happy? Did they say, no, 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 I don't want to save money? What was their reaction?
Firstly, they were happy, ma'am, but they were neglecting, ma'am. Then after thereafter, they got the knowledge, ma'am,
Hmm.
to save the money, and then they started, ma'am.
How did they get knowledge? Did you keep speaking to them? Did you share anything with them? How did
Yes, ma'am.
you,
I used to motivate them, ma'am,
in what way?
by teaching that it will be helpful for the next purpose, ma'am,
Okay, so you used
in
to
the
talk.
future.
Okay, so you used to talk to your friends and say, listen, if you save money, you can use it for this, 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 this. That's what
Yes,
you
ma'am.
used to do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many piggy banks have you given out already?
Nearly 5 to 6 I had given, ma'am.
5 to 6. And
Yes,
you
ma'am.
bought this from your savings?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah. So you bought piggy banks from your saving to help others save money.
Yes, ma'am. So that
Okay.
they can also give to others, ma'am, for their friends.
Okay. So everybody keeps sharing so all the kids can learn. That's a very good initiative. It's very different from what we normally see, Pawan. So tell us, now that you understand the value of money, what does value of money mean to you?
Can you repeat once again, ma'am?
What do you mean by value of money? I understand
Nothing,
the value of money means what?
ma'am. Collecting and saving, ma'am. Even at a single rupee, it will be helpful, ma'am.
Okay. So I have somebody who has raised a hand. Anushri, do you wish to ask any question? If you do, you can. Hello?
Ma'am?
Yes, Anushri, tell me, do you have any question for us?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, so can I mute you? Okay, thank you. All right. Okay, Pawan, tell me, what is the best thing you bought for yourself with your savings?
Ma'am, I had bought an encyclopedia, ma'am. A small encyclopedia.
You bought an encyclopedia.
Yes, ma'am.
And has any of your friends bought something interesting that they said, Pawan, thank you because you taught me to save money. Now I can buy these things to myself. Did anybody say something like that to you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my friend, I don't want to tell his name, ma'am.
Hmm.
He saved. Even I teached him to save money, ma'am, and he saved, and he was interested in art things, ma'am, and
Hmm.
he bought art items, ma'am. And
Hmm.
one day he thankful for, and one day he said thanks to me, ma'am.
Okay. Now you said you squander money. Okay, so you're wasting money. What are some things that we normally waste money on? What do you think we waste money on usually?
As like the simple things, ma'am. Even if we used to buy snacks,
Hmm.
in that we can save the money, ma'am. I don't want to tell that fully we have to save. Half of that we can save, and half of that we can eat of that, ma'am.
Correct. So you're saying you have to enjoy yourself also and you have to save also. So keep a balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's a
Yes, ma'am.
very good thought. That's a really equilibrium. That's right. So it's very important for everyone to understand this. Even when we grow up, this is a very good formula. You have fun also and you save also. Okay. Now tell us, did your school know about what you were doing? Did your school ever encourage you and say you're doing a good job, or did you ever speak to your teachers that, ma'am, this is what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am. I had talked with my principal, madam, ma'am.
Okay. So what did she tell you?
She even encouraged me more, ma'am, to save more.
She encouraged you more and you want to save more money from that. That's very good. So uh, my question to you is, have you ever bought any nice gift for somebody with your savings?
Yes, ma'am. For my close friend, ma'am, I
You
bought
what?
a special pen for him, ma'am, from my savings on his birthday.
You bought your friend a special pen. That's nice. So if you guys are watching, very important what Pawan is trying to say is you need to have fun and at the same time be responsible. Now, by saving money, what he's doing is he's able to do things like buy gifts for others, buy supplies for himself, instead of every time going and asking parents. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me, what do your parents say about it? They must be really proud of you.
Yes, ma'am. That.
Yeah. What does your dad say? Because he's the one who started this.
Yes, ma'am. My parents, they also encouraged me more, ma'am.
Okay. They encouraged you a lot more. Pavan, now that we have moved on to online classes and all of that. I'm
Yes.
going to switch the subject a little bit. So we have moved on to online classes. Everything is happening online. How is that experience for you?
It's a new experience, ma'am, for
Mhm.
me. And
Okay.
I cannot say it's a good experience, ma'am. Sometimes it will be network issues,
Ah,
but it's going good, ma'am. I can say that.
okay. So now, Pavan, are you a day scholar or do you stay in the school?
I'm a day scholar now.
You're a day scholar. Tell us some issues that you face besides network issues. What other problems are there when it comes to online classes?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there will be no exact time, ma'am.
Okay,
The
there is
time
no.
period will exact not be allotted, ma'am.
Okay.
Sometimes they used to tell me to ready
Hmm.
for before 10 minutes, ma'am, but sometimes they'll face some issues regarding the app, ma'am.
Hmm. 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 Do you have a special app from your school, or
Yes,
do
ma'am.
you? What is
That
the app?
tied up with a special app, ma'am.
Oh, that's lovely. So, what is this app called?
NTQ, ma'am. NTQ India.
NTK India. Okay. So all your classes are, you can see your teacher and it's like a video, like how we are talking now. It's like a Zoom class.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, lovely. And how does your assignment and everything work? Do they give you assignments on email? How do you send your assignments? How do you keep up the work?
Ma'am, we can upload. We can. Yes, ma'am. They will give the assignments and homework, ma'am, and we have to upload in app itself, ma'am.
Okay. And what is one good thing about online classes?
We will get own time to. We will get lots of time to learn on our own, ma'am.
You get a, okay. Now, coming back to Super Hoopers, Pawan, why do you think something like this is important for children, where we talk about the work that they're doing? How does it help you?
It will be helpful for in future, ma'am. As like if one has saved in the past, ma'am, it will be helpful in this pandemic time, ma'am.
Okay, how has the saving helped you in the pandemic?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, their economic condition will not be good, ma'am, as compared to earlier. From
Hmm.
this, they can somewhat help for their parents, ma'am.
Okay, that's an amazing thought. That is
Yes.
something that I don't know if many kids are thinking about that, where you want to actually help your parents with the money you've sent. Have there been any instances where you actually helped your parents with your savings? Can you think of anything like that?
No, ma'am.
No, where you've
I
shared on
haven't.
small. Sorry,
I haven't helped them, ma'am.
you haven't helped your parents yet. Okay, that's fine. But that thought is very important, that you can actually use your savings to help your parents, because we know that the pandemic has been difficult for a lot of people. My question to you is, now that your article has been uploaded on Hoopsters, okay, your picture has come on Hoopsters, how does it make you feel? Do you feel like you should do more work like this so you get more recognition? Tell us what that makes you feel.
It feels to me more inspired, ma'am.
It makes you feel more inspired to do what?
To save more money and to teach others, ma'am. To teach others more, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any siblings at home? Any
Yes, ma'am.
brother, sister? So how?
Yes.
So do they also follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
They follow. You're the younger one or the older one? How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling, ma'am.
Okay. Younger brother, younger sister.
He's older brother, ma'am.
Okay. So did he start first or did you start this first?
I had started this first, ma'am.
And you told him to do this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell us how do you go about this? You just pick your friends, you pick some friends and say, okay, today I'm going to give him a piggy bank, I'm going to give her a piggy bank. Do you have like a structure of how it works? That every
Ma'am,
month
there
I have
was a
to give.
disturbance. Can you repeat once again,
Okay.
ma'am?
When you give out your piggy banks and all of that to your friends, do you have any sort of a structure? Every month I have to give 3 piggy banks, or it is just you just decide, okay, today I'm going to give her a piggy bank or him a piggy bank. How does it work? Do you have a structure?
No, ma'am. I don't have a particular structure, ma'am. But whenever I used to feel I want to give, I'll give, ma'am.
Okay, so maybe birthday gifts, something like that.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a very noble thought. Now, to finish this, okay, do you think a website like Hoopsters would help children? Now
Yes,
that
ma'am.
you have submitted and you've seen it, how does it help you
It will create more motivation or inspiration, ma'am.
for others to follow, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Even for
Pawan.
us, ma'am.
Even for you, I'm glad that you guys feel more inspired, and I would like to hear, are there any other such initiatives you have taken up, Pawan, through your school or through any other camps that you have? Do you do any other work like this?
Not such any like that, ma'am.
Okay. And has your school now see, in all of our schools, like, okay, we have things like we have to collect some money sometimes we do best out of waste. There are a lot of initiatives that schools take up. Has there been anything like that in your school?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in our school, we used to plant, ma'am.
You used to plant trees in your
Yes,
school or outside?
ma'am. Our school is very big, ma'am. In ground, we used to plant more trees, ma'am.
You used to plant, and then who takes care of those trees?
The PET teachers, ma'am.
Oh, that's lovely. So have you planted any trees yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I had planted a tree, ma'am. And when I used to feel free, I used to water that, ma'am.
Okay,
Pour
now has
water.
it, how long ago was this? When did you plant your tree?
Nearly 10 months back, ma'am.
So has it grown? Is it healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. So please share a picture of that as well, because we'd like to see what you guys are up to in school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is all I have to ask you, Pawan. I hope you keep inspiring more people to save money, because you're right. Only when a time like a pandemic comes, we realize, how much, what the value of money really is. Okay, and I hope you can help many more children, and I hope that one day you can also help your parents the same way. And
Yes,
thank you so much for writing to us.
yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will share this video also with you, with ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
you can take a look at it. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
thank you guys. Thank you all for joining. If you want to come on a video like this or an interview like this, like Pawan, all you have to do is log on to hoopsters.in, share your story with us. Tell us what you guys do that should go on our website that may inspire other children. Like Pawan said, the more you share, the more inspiring it is for other children to do more work like that. Okay, so log on to hoopsters.in. Thank you, Pawan. Thank you so much for joining us. And
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you send us more. And listen, there is a talent hunt section. Please send us something about your tabla classes. If you're playing a tabla, take a video, upload it. I want to see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day.
Bye. Have a good day.